X. My time now, I know they know it. Running runs, I feel like a pull up like I'm baby riding this something fast, and you know that it's wrong. I get my hustle like Nissy, I need every penny. I came from the bottom, I know it, they know it. I know they know it, I know they know it, I know they know it, I know they know it. Done, where you been for a minute? Yeah, my hustle, I feel like I'm Nipsey. Sippin' like London, just people my bitch pull up in the coupe windows, I tint. No money bad, but we gon' film. Smoke on the pound, it's out of the extra. Police pull up, you know ain't saying no. Fire my old bitch and give me a better one. Ain't playing with these bitches, ain't sparing these niggas. When he talk, I just call it that pillar. Yeah, cause who the fuck think they gon' take some from me? And who the fuck face can't get placed on the teeth? He talk with that talk, but not walk with that walk. Hopped in some water, might water in the tub. Right now, I'm high as a blunt. Get to that money, stack it up to the ceiling. Stack the mixture, they on some other shit. And I don't trust the bitch, I ain't cuffing shit. I'm a dumb, but when.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Will SS. I'm back with another how-to video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you all how to replace all the window regulator glide clips, the plastic little retaining clips that goes on the 94 to 96 Impala Super Sports. Also the Caprices, Fleetwood, Roadmasters, most all of them, they all are the same, all right? Reason I feel to do this video because I tried to get so much help and people use like pliers, and I did look more into it. Some people saying use electric hammer. I'm like, nah, man, you're gonna be risky to break that glass. And then some people say use a C-clamp. But they don't tell you exactly what to use. And on my channel, I try to show everybody exactly what I use whenever I do a how-to video, okay? Try to give you receipts with the part numbers and stuff like that, where I got it from, whether it's eBay, Amazon, or whatever. That's what I'm gonna show you guys, all right? This is my black 96 Impala Super Sport, of course. There it is. I already got the window done on this side, which is the passenger side. I had to do it because we got a sandstorm. And I was like, you know what, let me just blog it. I'm also gonna give y'all some little tips here and there, okay? But let me show you guys all the stuff I use for mine. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you first the part number for everything that I use. All right, so here go the clips, the regulator guide clips. Here they go, a pack of 10. I got them off eBay. Here it is right here. 10 pack window regulator guide clips for Impala, Caprice, Fleetwood, Roadmaster, Delta from this seller. Alright, there go the price. Okay, cool. My GM, GM body trim panel. This is part number 451150. Also, if you don't want to use these clips right there, you can go to your local parts store. I got this from AutoZone. These are Doberman. Part number 74444. Window track glide. There you go. And also a 3-inch C-clamp. This is a beast right here. This is the main thing you need for the job. Super white lithium grease. I don't have any other grease available at my house, so I'm just gonna use this one. And it's high film strength, and it is durable in any weather. I use this mainly for the motorcycle, but I'm gonna use it. So let me show you which. Oh, of course the screwdrivers and stuff, these are for, and the flathead, you got to use those for the door panel to disassemble. I'm not gonna show you guys all the disassembling crap because I like to get straight to it. Disassembling it is too easy. Just take your time, be patient. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what this one is for and this one. Alright. So this is my passenger door, which I already fixed. A pry bar. I go behind the window right here, and I pry it open right here. I just push more up on it, push it into a stop, and then I get the handle and I pull it this way. Slowly, I pull it that way to bend it. But I do it into sections. Like I start here, I bend here. Move up, bend, bend, bend. That's all I do. Because the other ones was already broken off, so they wasn't there. So this window fell completely down. Luckily it didn't bust on me. So I have that one. And they both are pressed in. Let me show you why it's perfect to use the 3-inch. This is the reason. Three-inch fit right in there. See that? It's right there on the track. And the only thing I have to do is just tighten it down. You can do this one over here, simply. And also the one at the back. Working with one hand. There we go. And I just tighten it slowly. Then you hear it pop inside the clip. So those are the Dobermans 74444. But the rest of them use the other clips like these, of course, for the rest of them. Because unfortunately, I just only had a pack of 2. And I took those 2. So, alright y'all, here's my window. This is how it is. See how y'all didn't even see that. See right here how it goes off track. Then I push it up. See that? How it gets stuck. So normally I would have to. Let me show y'all so y'all can see. Normally I have to hold it to push it up, but look how bad it's off track. See, it's not within the grooves no more. So this is why I'm replacing them, because of this. So normally I have to, see how I do that? It's off track. And then when I push it up, oh man, it fell all the way off track now. So the one that's just literally sitting there. Let's see. Yeah, when I pulled it like that, y'all, it fell all the way. So, well, I gotta change anyway. So, so good thing is happened now while I'm fixing it. So, let me take this door panel off and get to it, guys. I'll be right back with y'all. For this. Alright, well I got these 2 up, I'm gonna show y'all. So the little track right there is way off. See the rusted piece right there? It's supposed to be on it. The little guide right there, the gray piece, is all messed up. So, and that piece right there, you can't see it. There you go. You see how the pieces are broke? It's broke off, so I'm gonna see if I can come from the left, this side. See if I can come to the left, but let me get some tape to hold this window up. Something. Alright, so I got it, guys. So can you see this right here? Right here. You see it? That's what I'm trying to take out. Cause them 2 pieces they broke. I don't know why I'm pushing them together. Try it this way. Try to bend it some more. Oh. It's stuck on that rig. You could do that and then hold it and then push it, but got it out. I think I'm gonna have to bang it out. There you go. That's how to get them out. Ooh, it was stuck all on there in the back. Yeah, that's what had it stuck right there. So that's one, and the other one. This one should be easy. Well, there it is. Came right out. They got stuff stuck all on it too. Uh-oh. Just hold this in place, stick it in place. So I'm gonna show y'all. They got gunk all on it. Gunk all on this. Look at the back. Not supposed to be like this, guys. So put the other one on. Oh, they way over there. Alright, so I'm just gonna spray WD-40 only on the side that I gotta put these in, pretty much. Just lubricated the ends side of it and at the top rails, just at the intro point. So this is the Dorman 7.4 44.4, and this is the one off eBay. So where you see the holes or the opening, this side's supposed to go. Mine's on there were actually backward. They were like this. So they was on backward. They're supposed to be like this. The middle piece, of course, that's where you're gonna press the hole. So since I got more room on this side to play, I'm gonna put this one last and I'm gonna put this one first. See? Slips on there perfect. See right here. Let it focus, let it focus. Boom. There you go, guys. And what I'm gonna do is just slide it over. Just push on it at the back. Slide it through. Cause on that rigid right there. Once it passes it, then it's gonna be smooth. There it is.
You popped it out.
No, I did. It's right there. You see it? They just show you how smooth it goes. You push it back that way. See it? So guys, I recommend that you guys get those first. The 7.4 44.4, if you can, because that one on smooth and it actually went halfway through just with a hit. So I'm gonna slide all the way down. Alright. Next is the, hold on. I really like it. I lost the other one.
It's right there.
Where? Oh. My bad. So, same thing with this one. Put it on. These, I'm thinking they might end up breaking. Might have to open it up some more, I think. Yeah, with this one, I have to open up some more, unfortunately. So, same thing with your pry bars. Guys, I'm just going to open up a little bit and put this one on there. This one we don't have to slide through. And then I'm going to grease it up, and then I'm going to put the next, I'm going to show you how to press it on. So I'll be right back. Now I gotta be careful. Try to push it through the back. And try. It didn't break. It did not break. It went right next to the other one. It just went far. Well, the WD-40 works out pretty good. And honestly, it's still so much grease back there. I don't know why they just packed it up with grease, but they threw a lot of grease back there. Like a lot. So, I'm gonna wipe it down and just use WD-40. Let me see if it is, okay. So, I'm gonna have to bend this back up. Guess I need another pliers to pull this back up. Can you see? You know, I can bend this back up. Yep. Just hold the window. There we go. Remove it now. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab with some vice grips. Try to bend it up. Can you see like this? There we go. There it is. You know what? I could have bent it down with just this. I just don't. Oh, I bent it up a little bit too much. But that's okay, because that's the end. 9 times out of 10, I'm just going to have to replace that one again. like that. Let me see. Just like that. Alright, this is up a little bit more. Came off. It's all good. Put your butt back on. Alright, so probably better off coming on this side. Alright guys, so make sure that it's on there correctly. See it right there? And then just slowly press. Get it pressed on there. It's going on there. There it is. I'm gonna push the window towards me. There it is. So guys, use a 4-inch. Use a 4-inch on the. There it is. And it's on there. It's on there now. There it is. So 4 inches better to reach through the top hole of this one and get it on there. You recording that one? That's because I want to see it in, like this. Let me see. No, I can't get in there. So, focus. There it is. So guys, I'm gonna push it in a little bit more. That sounds nice. Turbo. Just push it in just a little bit more, but you get the gist of it. It's in there, but I don't like how it's not like, for me, I didn't hit it on the center, like on the very center of the circle. I hit on the edge of it, so now I gotta hit it on the center. Because 3-inch I only hit on the edge, so now I can hit it on the center now. So I'll be back, guys. All right, y'all, here it is. Down. Oh. Okay. That's it, you good. Nah, the back windows don't go down all the way. They stick like halfway. Thank y'all for watching. It's not an easy job on the back. The front, super easy. The back, not so really. Luckily, I had a 4-inch C-clamp because that's the only thing that went in. So yes, 3-inch C-clamp will work for everything, but on the side closest to the door handle, you need a 4-inch, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like that on the same, on the other side of the car. I got these two done. I got to do the other two now. But man, look, thank y'all for watching, man. Hopefully I help y'all with any tips that y'all needed. If y'all need anything, let me know. Don't